Hey everyone, Junaid here. Imagine this. You press the power button and nothing. No lights, no fan spin, no logo. Complete dead laptop. Super frustrating, right? The good news? In most cases, like 70 to 80% of situations I see, you can fix this yourself in under 10 minutes with zero tools and no risk. Today I'm showing you the 5 easiest steps that solve laptop not turning on for almost everyone. Let's jump right in. And if the first step fixes it, drop a comment saying which step saved you. Quick note, these steps are safe for any brand. HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, Asus, MSI, everything. We start with the simplest fixes and slowly go deeper. If your laptop shows lights or fans but the screen stays black, that's a different issue. Check my other video linked in the cards. Okay, let's start. Step 1. The charger is guilty in so many cases. First, make sure the charger is properly plugged in on both ends. Look at the little LED on the charger brick or near the laptop port. Is it lighting up? Next, test the outlet. Plug your phone charger into the same socket. Does it work? Good. Now the big test. Try a different charger if you have one. Same voltage and connector size. Borrow from a friend or family member if needed. Many times the cable is frayed inside or the adapter just died quietly. If it suddenly turns on with another charger, you just saved hundreds on repair. Still nothing? Keep going. Step 2. This is the single most effective fix for most dead laptop cases, especially when lights were on before, but now nothing. Here's exactly how. Unplug the charger from the laptop and from the wall. If your laptop has a removable battery, slide it out. Most older models do. If it's non-removable, just skip that part. Now press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds. I usually do a full minute to be safe. This drains all leftover electricity from the circuits. Plug the charger back in, but don't press power yet. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. Look for any charging light. Now press the power button normally. Boom. Laptop wakes up in so many cases. Why? Static buildup, stuck power controller, frozen chip. This resets it. If it worked, smash that like button and tell me in the comments how long you held it. Step 3. Sometimes a faulty USB device, docking station, external drive, or even HDMI cable is shorting something and preventing startup. Quick step. Unplug everything except the charger. Mouse, keyboard, USB hub, SD card, external monitor, printer cable, all of it. Wait 10 seconds. Press power. If it turns on now, one of those devices was the culprit. Plug them back one by one to find the bad one. Super common with cheap USB hubs or damaged flash drives. Step 4. This works amazingly on laptops with removable batteries, but even some non-removable ones let you test plugged in only. Unplug the charger. Remove the battery if you can. Plug the charger directly back in. Press the power button. If the laptop starts, your battery is dead, faulty, swollen, or the battery connector has an issue. You can usually keep using it plugged in while you order a replacement battery. No removable battery? Just skip or try the next step. Step 5. If still nothing, start paying attention to any tiny signs. Any small LED blink when you press power? Fan spin for 1 or 2 seconds then stop? Beep codes or keyboard lights flash? These are clues. Google your exact model plus those symptoms. Quick extra tip. If you're comfortable, open the back panel, search YouTube for your model plus open bottom panel, and gently reseat the RAM sticks. Push them out, then push them firmly back in. Make sure nothing looks burnt or swollen. But if none of the 5 steps worked, it's likely hardware, motherboard, DC jack, power chip, time for professional repair or data recovery. So those are the 5 easy steps most people miss that bring a dead laptop back to life. Which step fixed yours? Drop it in the comments. It really helps others. If this video saved you time or money, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching. See you in the next troubleshooting guide. Take care.
Junaid Hacks in the zone. Helping you fix on your own. Debug the code, watch it home. Step by step, we break it down from the script all the way to the crown. Like, share, subscribe, don't slack. More tips coming back to back.